Welcome. In a previous video, we solved this problem using the BA2 Plus calculator. Today we'll solve it using Excel, demonstrating how to choose between projects A and B based on their net present values. The cash flows for both projects are summarized in this table, and we're working with a required rate of return or cost of capital of 14%. Now, to compute the net present value for project A, type equals NPV. Enter 0.14 or 14% for the rate, comma. Select cash flows from year 1 to the final year. Note that the NPV function in Excel starts at period 1, not period 0. This means it doesn't account for the initial outlay. We need to add this manually. Enter. And that's the net present value for project A. I can copy this cell formula for project B, but let's just repeat the process. Equals NPV, 0.14 or 14% for the rate, comma, select the cash flows from year 1 to the final year, close parentheses, and add the initial value. Enter. Comparing these results, we can see that project A has a higher NPV, signifying that project A is the better choice. To be more comprehensive, let's calculate the internal rate of return IRR for both projects. Type equals IRR. Select all cash flows including the initial outlay. Enter. Let's use the fill handle to copy this formula for project B. Notice that project A's IRR is higher than project B's, confirming our NPV-based decision. This agreement is very important. NPV and IRR should always lead to the same conclusion when comparing mutually exclusive projects. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.